Hi guys, today we're going to make a sensory bag for children. All you need is Ziploc bags, water, oil, beans, but you can use whatever materials you like. Scissors, the sticky tape. We are going to make different bags. In the Ziploc bag, you can add the beans and other resources you have chosen, and just tape the side. Make sure you add water and oil. This is an amazing activity to enhance their fine motor skills. Now it's your turn to experiment at home with your child. See you next time.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Well done, Louis.